Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing any data you need because the reset removes personalized settings. Once backed up, make sure your PC is plugged in and connected to the internet so reinstallation can download files. Next, sign in as an administrator and open Settings, then System, then Recovery. Select Reset this PC and choose Remove Everything when prompted. This is the first action that triggers the full restoration process. It prepares Windows to reinstall and clear all customized system settings. Now you decide how Windows will be reinstalled and how thorough the cleanup should be. Choose Remove Everything for a true reset. Keep My Files leave settings behind and is not sufficient. Next, pick Cloud Download if your connection is stable. It pulls the latest image or local reinstall to use existing files. Then pick whether to just remove files or fully clean the drive. Fully cleaning takes longer but prevents remnant settings. Confirm choices and click Reset to start the reinstallation. The reset runs automatically and your PC will reboot several times while Windows reinstalls. Let it finish without interruptions. Once the process reaches UB, choose your region, privacy settings, and sign in or create an account to reinitialize defaults. After setup, verify settings, default apps, and drivers are restored. If the reset fails or Windows won't reinstall, use the Windows Recovery Environment or boot from official USB install media to repeat the reset. That key
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.